Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter matrices. In last class we discussed the multiplication of matrices or the product of the matrices and some problems. Today we are going to discuss properties of the multiplication of matrices. What is the properties of the multiplication of matrices? Properties of multiplication of matrices. Properties of multiplication of matrices. Number 1, multiplication of matrices is not commutative. That is, in general, multiplication of matrices is not commutative. In particular case, that is, in particular case, if A and B are two diagonal matrices. Okay, if A and B are two diagonal matrices, then AB is equal to BA, that is commutative. For two examples, let A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4 and B is equal to 1, 0, 3, 5. Then verify AB not equal to BA. AB not is equal to BA. Solution is A is equal to what? 2, 3, 1, 4 and B is equal to what? 1, 0, 3, 5. Now find AB. Now AB is equal to what? AB. This is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4 into 1, 0, 3, 5. Okay. So multiply this. This is equal to what? AB is equal to 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 5, 15. 1 into 1, 1, 4 into 3, 12. 1 into 0, 0, 4 into 5, 20. So this is equal to what? 11, 15, 13, 20. 11, 15, 13, 20. 11, okay. 11, this is 15, this is 13, this is 20. Okay, now multiply this, recheck this. 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 3, 9. 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 5, 15. 1 into 1, 1, 4 into 3, 12. And 1 into 0, 0, 4 into 5, 20. So this is AB matrix. Now BA. Write first B. 1, 0, 3, 5 into 2, 3, 1, 4. Now multiply this. This is equal to what? 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 1, 0, then 1 into 3, 3, 0 into 4, 0, 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 1, okay, this is 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 1, 1, correct, and 1 into 3, 0 into 4, 0, 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 1, 5, then 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 4, 20. This is equal to 2, 3, 11, 29. Here AB not equal to BA. Here AB not equal to BA. Here AB not equal to BA. Okay. Now another example. This is not commutative. In case of diagonal matrices, here multiplication of matrices not commutative, in particular if A and B are two diagonal matrices of same order. This is where A and B have same order. This is important, same order. Okay, if A and B are two diagonal matrices, then AB equal to BA, where A and B have same order, otherwise it is product cannot be determined. If AB and A and B are same order, having same order and diagonal matrices, in that case AB equal to BA. Again repeat, if A and B are two diagonal matrices of same order, we can write here of same order, then AB equal to BA, where A and B have same order. This is important. Okay, now another example for diagonal matrices. Another important example for diagonal matrix of same order. Let A is equal to what? A is equal to 2, 0, 0, 5 and B is equal to 6, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, suppose 2. Then prove that AB is equal to BA. Then prove that AB is equal to BA. Now left hand side solution is one example. If A equal to 2, 0, 0, 5, this is diagonal matrix of order 2. B is equal to 6, 0, 0, 2, this is diagonal matrix of order 2, another diagonal matrix of order 2. Then prove that AB is equal to BA. Solution AB. A means what? 2, 0, 0, 5. B means what? 6, 0, 0, 2. Multiply this. 2 into 6, 12. Then 2 into 0, 0. Okay, 2 into 0, 0. Now 2 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0. Now second row, 0 into 0, 0. Okay, then 0 into what? 0 into 6, 0. 5 into 0, 0. So 0 into 0, 0 plus 5 into 2, 10. This is equal to 12, 0, 0, 10. Now BA is equal to write B first, 0, 6, 0, 0, 2, and this is equal to what? This is equal to 2, 0, 0, 5. So 6 into 12, 12 plus 0, 0 plus 0 here, 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 0, 0. So 0 into 0, 0. Plus 2 into 5, 10. This is equal to what? This is equal to 12, 0, 0, 10. Here AB is equal to BA. Okay. If the question will ask you, give an example of two matrices whose product is commutative, then the answer you may give any order of diagonal matrix. Okay, diagonal matrix, either 2, either 3. Now other properties, that is associative property. Associative property. Associative property, let A, B and C are three matrices of order m into n, n into p and p into s. M into n into p and p and s respectively. P into s respectively, and pr, we can mn and p, suppose pr, p into r respectively. Then AB into C is equal to A into BC. Okay, now one example, if A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 5, that is, whose order is what? 2 by 3, and B is equal to, suppose B is equal to 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1. This is 3 into 2, and C is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0. Then verify. Then prove that. AB into C is equal to ABC. Okay. Now for left hand side solution, given A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 5, and B is equal to 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1. C is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0. Now for find first bracket term, find AB. Now AB is equal to what? AB is equal to what? Or right, left hand side is AB bracket C, and what is A here? That is 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 5, and B means 3, 1, 0, 2, 1, minus 1. Okay, and C is equal to 1, 1, 2, 0. 1, 1, 2, 0. Now multiply this. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 1 into minus 1. 0 into 3, 0, 1 into 0, 0, plus 5. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 2, 2, and 5 into minus 1, minus 5. This into 1, 1, 2, 0. Okay, now 6 plus 1, 7. This is equal to what? 7. 8 minus 1, 7, 5, 2 minus 5, minus 3, into 1, 1, 2, 0. Again multiply this. 7 into 1, 7, 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 1, 7, plus 0 here, 5 into 1, 5, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 5 into 1, 5, minus 3 into 0, 0. So this is what? 21, 7, minus 1 5. This is left hand side. Now RHS is what? RHS A bracket BC. So this is equal to A means what? 2 3 1 0 1 5 whole brackets. BC, B means what? 3 1 0 2 1 minus 1, and C means what? C means 1 1 2 0 1 1 2 0. Now this is equal to 2 3 1 0 1 5 into, multiply this, 3 into 1 3, 1 into 2 2 plus 2, then 3 into 1 3 plus 0, 0 into 1 0 plus 4, 0 into 1 0 0 plus 0, then 1 into 1 1 minus 2, then 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 0 0. So this is equal to 3 1 0 1 5 into, this is what? 5 3 4 0 minus 1 1, and multiply this, 2 into 5 10 plus 3 into 4 12 minus 1, then 2 into 3 6, 3 into 0 0 plus 1, then 0 into 5 0, 1 into 4 4, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, then 0 into 3 0, 1 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5. So this is equal to what? 21 7 minus 1, and this is 5. So LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to what? Now this, multiply this two, and simplify this, and also multiply this. So this is same. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now this is associative property. Then distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property. Let A, B, and C are three matrices of order M by N, N by P, and N by P respectively. Then A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Example, let A is equal to 2 3 1 4 5 6. This is order is what? 2 into 3. B is equal to 3 4 1 6 5 0, and C is equal to 1 0 2 1 3 4. Then prove that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus SC. AB plus SC. This is question. Now the solution is The solution is given A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. B is equal to 3, 4, 1, 6, 5, 0. And C is equal to 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. Now left hand side, LHS A into B plus C. So A means what? 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. A into B plus C. Now add B and C. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 0 plus 4, 4. Multiply this. This is equal to what? 2 into 4, 8 plus 9 plus 8. This is 8 plus 21 plus 4. 12 plus 15 plus 48. 16 plus 35, 24. Add this. This is equal to what? 16 plus 9, 25. This is what? 25 plus 8, 33. 33. Then 8 plus 13, 8 plus 13, 15, 5 रख 1, 5, 6, 7, 75. Okay, because this is 48 plus 5, 53, and 63 plus 12, 75. And this is 16, 24, 40 plus 35, 75. This is LHS. Now RHS is equal to what? Now RHS is equal to RHS AB plus AC. What is A? This is A 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. A and B is 3, 4, 1, 6, 5, 0 plus AC. AC means what? A is equal to what? 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. A and C is equal to what? 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 4. Now multiply this. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 1, 3. 1 into 5, 5. Okay, then 2 into 4, 8. Plus 18. Plus 0. 4 into 3, 12. Plus 5. Plus 30. 16 plus 30 plus 0. So this is equal to plus, multiply this again, multiply this. So what happens here? 2 plus 6 plus 3. 2 plus 6 plus 3. 0 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 10 plus 18. 0 plus 5 plus 24. So now this is equal to what? Now this is equal to 6 plus 3, 9, 14, 24 and 17, 12 plus 5, 17, that is 47, and this is equal to 16 plus 30, 46, plus 8, 11, and this is what? This is equal to 11, that is 12, sorry, this is 7, and this is 14, this is 14 plus 8, 32, 14 plus 18, 32, 29, and now this is equal to what? 14 plus 11, which is 25, 24 plus 7, that is what? This is 16, 8, this is 26, sorry, this is 26, so 26 plus 7, that is equal to what? 33, this is 26, okay, then 47 plus 32, 75, this is 46 plus 29, 9, 6, 15, 75. So LHS is equal to this, RHS equal to this, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, now some more properties. Notes: product of two non-zero matrices is zero matrix. Zero matrix or what? Null matrix. One example. Product of two non-zero matrices is zero matrices or null matrices. Here now find AB solution. A2, 2, 3, 3, and B 1, -1, -1, 1. So multiply this 2, -2, -2, 2, -2, then -2 plus 2, 3 minus 3, then -3 plus 3, which is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is null matrix, 0, bold 0. For another note, if I indicates the identity matrix, note, if I is the identity matrix, then I to the power any integer is equal to I, where m belongs to n. Note 3, if A be a square matrix of order n and I be the identity matrix of order n. If A be a square matrix of order n and I be the square matrix of order n and I be the square matrix of order n, then A into I is equal to A, or I into A is equal to A. Okay, this is the proper notes. Now solve x1 into 1 0 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 3 x5 equal to 0. Solution: this is x1 and this is 1 0 minus 2 minus 3, x5 is equal to 0 matrix, 0. So x minus 2, then 0 minus 3, this is minus 3. Okay, x minus 2, this is 0 minus 3 into x 5 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So this is factorize x square minus 3x plus x minus, this is x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. So take common x, x minus 5, 3 common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Now another question. One question, if a is equal to 2, 1, 3, 5 and I be the identity matrix of order 2, then find a minus 2y into a minus I. So solution is a is equal to 2, 1, 3, 5 and I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Now a minus 2y into a minus I. What is a here? 2, 1, 3, 5 minus 2 into 1, 0, 0, 1 into 2, 1, 3, 5 minus 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is equal to what? 2, 1, 3, 5 minus 2, 0, 0, 2. So this is into 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 4. So this is equal to what? 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 2, 3 into 1, 1, 0, 4. Multiply this. So 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0. So 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 4, 4. 3 into 1, 0, 3, this is 3. And 3 into 1, 3, 12. That is right here. 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0. Then 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 4, 4. Then 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 0, 0. Then 3 into 3, 3, 3 into 4, 12. Okay, so this is equal to 0, this is equal to 0, 4, 3, 15 is answer. These are the properties and problems of the multiplication of matrices. In next class we will discuss some new concept and new types of matrix, okay, and problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.